Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 4th to the 10th. May the 4th be with you. And with that, we have two possible freebies, which is really fantastic. And this is a very solid week over at Walgreens. And the first piece of fireworks for many of you is this. Digital boosters, both of my accounts got them. The 7 back when you spend 35, load it right away. And we will definitely have $35 baskets on Sunday to share with you to use this in the most effective way. But I am absolutely loving seeing this back. And then last Monday, the Easter merchandise hit 80% off. And I believe it's going to end there. I don't think it'll go 90, and a lot of stores around here still have a whole lot. So if you are in the hunt still for some cute Easter stuff, definitely go to Walgreens and look for it. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital manufacturers, will be published on Sunday, May the 4th. And this is also starting a new month over at Walgreens, so there's going to be a lot of progressive monthly deals that we're going to look at. You could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Well, somebody even got dressed for this video. He was so excited by it. If you could like the video, I would be so grateful. So the first piece of business that we're going to talk about is a freebie on the buy one get one 50% off. And as you can see, the St. Ives face scrub is in fact part of it. $4 register reward when you purchase 2. I think I'm going to go with Noxzema's, but the freebie will be definitely on the St. Ives. Currently, we have 2 digital coupons. We have a $2 off plus $1.50 only for you. Both of my cards got this only for you coupon, so hopefully you have the same ones as I. And I'm a huge Noxzema girl, so grabbing 2 of these face scrubs, it's going to be $7.18 on a buy one get one 50% off. We have $3.50 in digitals melting off right there. So you're going to pay $3.68, get back a $4 register reward, making it free. You can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. If you go with Noxzema, it's going to be a little bit more, but a lot of us really love Noxzema, the face cleansers and stuff, and we don't really ever get deals on it. So I think that's the avenue I'm going to go with, and you're going to have to wait and see what I do on Sunday morning. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the $4 Colgate products, and see how it says up to $5. So I'm not sure if that's a 5 off of 2 or a 5 off of 3. I'm guessing a 5 off of 2. $4 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of these Colgate products for $8, subtracting that 5 off of 2, and we're going to have to double, triple check what it is on Sunday morning. You'll pay $3, get back a $4 register reward, making this free plus $1 money maker. Now, if it's a 5 off of 3, I think it's going to be $1 per item. Pass on it. We love to get our dental stuff for free. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Now, last week, we got a 4 off of 2 digital for the Dove shampoo. If you did not use it this week, it's going to be buy one, get one 50% off. $4 reward when you purchase 2. Last week, the Dove shampoos, I think, were $5 a pop. So on a buy one, get one 50% off, it's going to be $9.73. Subtracting that magical coupon, you'll pay $5.73. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.73 for 2 or 86 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So in comparison, the week previous, you were paying $1 and now it's 86 cents. So a tiny bit of savings. The Tide, Downy, Gain, those good products, we're going to get a mix of them. There's probably a $1.50-ish coupon, $5 reward when you purchase 4. Just a very basic deal, grabbing 4 of these P&G laundry care products and get a mix and match, guys. It's $21.96. Subtracting that $5, you'll pay $16.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And you'll earn your register reward, but it's some cheap Tide products. Alternatively, if you want the larger gains, you'll probably have to get a Gain liquid and a Gain pod for $9.99, $4 reward when you buy 2, and both of these items have $2 digitals that you can load. Grabbing 2 of these, it would be $19.98. Subtracting two $2 coupons, that's $4 melting off. And you'll pay $15.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per gain product. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash to Pay if you're not using this in concert with a booster. But, you know, to get the biggest savings, obviously, you'd probably throw this into a booster deal. Okay, now we have a deal on the Caress or St. Ives Bath Care. $4 reward when you purchase 2. The $5 one, I think, will be definitely the St. Ives. So grabbing 2 of those for $10, you would pay that or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and get back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, a really fantastic deal is this, the $2.99 Dawn dish soap with the 2 off a 2 digital coupon. So it's going to drop each dish soap to $1.99 for an 18-ounce Dawn dish soap. If that's $2.99, that's going to be a heck of a deal. So we'll have to wait and see Sunday how that one shakes out. And then the buy 1, get 2 for free for the Arm & Hammer laundry care. It's typically like $7.99 for the first, and then the other 2 are free. So it's $2 and some change per. If you love Arm & Hammer, that is not a bad little stock up price. Okay, now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the earn a $5 reward when you spend $15 on first aid. And look at that expiry date, 8/30. So definitely some of this stuff will go on clearance, or there'll be a competing deal to go with it. It doesn't end until the end of August, which is like pretty much the whole entire summer. So this is one we're definitely going to have to throw on the back burner because it is quite fantastic. Another deal that I really love is the buy 1, get 1 free on the Asper Cream or Gold Bond foot care. So you buy 1 foot powder, probably get the foot cream for free. If you are diabetic or have an elderly person in your household or your family, this is definitely something to pick up because it's always a need, especially with the hotter summer months just around the corner. And we also have the Jimmy Dean's 12-ounce bacon for $3.99. This is a very sensible price for Jimmy Dean bacon. Heck, even ask for a rain check for this price point. I know it's not 16 ounces, but with 12 ounces, use some Walgreens cash and make something happen. And if you're a pizza family, 2 for $10 for these DiGiorno Rising Crest pizzas. I would definitely grab a couple to stock up your freezer for the summer months. It's a quick little meal, and for $5, a very good price point. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.